Fall of 2020 may be remembered as a bit of a dark time. Many Americans were still being heavily impacted by coronavirus-related shutdowns of businesses and schools, and vaccines were nowhere in sight. In the thick of it was the Fort Wayne, Indiana plant for California-based manufacturer Avery Dennison, who announced in October of that year that it would be shuttering the factory. The company, which produces a variety of labels and adhesive products, told local officials that the 170 workers would be losing their jobs, and the plant's work relocated to 2 locations in Ohio. Avery Dennison at the time forecast the process to conclude by the end of October of 2021. One local newspaper reported that the company told them the plant was too landlocked and that it didn't allow any room for needed expansion. But oddly enough, in this case, the writing on the wall seems to have been erased. According to the Greater Fort Wayne Business Weekly, the company has reversed course and will not, in fact, be closing the plant. Instead, the company will be investing in it. According to the report, the plant will receive an amount of money deemed significant, and it will be used to adapt and upgrade the site's infrastructure and capabilities with the ultimate goal of transitioning to become part of the company's identification solutions business, which manufactures shipping labels to service the logistics industry. According to Ryan Yost, VP and GM at Avery Dennison Identification Solutions, quote, "This is a long-term investment to support the strategic growth projected in the food and logistics segments. And the company will also add capabilities at its Miamisburg, Ohio plant." According to the article, the company considers this investment to be a vital step in supporting the identification solutions segment and enable the plant to provide sustainable offerings and accelerate growth in its intelligent labels platform. But in the meantime, said one company spokesperson, nothing changes. Quote, "It's business as usual at Fort Wayne." I'm Anna Wells, and this is IEN Now.